Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I'll show you how I make an easy tassel for beginners. I'm using some lighter weight yarn and a DVD case. These work great to wrap the yarn around. And this little groove makes it easy to cut the tassel. Start by wrapping the yarn around 15 times. You can make as many as you want, but 15 is a good number to start with. Take another strand of yarn and double it. Place it underneath the wraps like this. And then move it towards the top and tie and knot it securely. Then on the bottom, in the groove of the DVD case, cut the yarn. Take another piece of yarn and double it. Take these strands of yarn and wrap them about an inch down from the top. Tie and knot this securely. Thread a yarn needle with those extra tail ends. And push the needle and yarn down into the center of the tassel. This way, you don't have to worry about them coming out. Then, just trim the end of the tassel to whatever length you want. And that's the basic tassel. Another option is to get beads with a larger center. Make your basic tassel like this. Then take a yarn needle for the tied ends and use it to string beads on like this. Another decorative item you can use is a tassel cap. You make your tassel and glue it inside the cap. Put some hot glue or super glue inside of the cap. Then quickly push the tassel inside. I find turning it slightly seems to make the strands nice and even. And here's the finished tassel. Please like and comment on this video.
And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.